Hello and welcome back to another video on the Garner Collective YouTube channel. How's everyone doing today? If you like this video and it helps you to have a unique type of phone charging cable which will impress your family, friends and even strangers, then please subscribe to the channel. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. It's a wide variety of gaming, money making, household stuff. All that money making is absolutely free. No PayPal needed at all. It's just surveys, SMS apps and also sharing your net to make money, all free. So I recently received off Aliexpress China some special cables. So as we know, when we charge phones, we always use these type of cables here, don't we? Like for different phones, you got like the normal charging ones which work for phones, the basic ones. Then we have the special ones which are a type C and so on like that. But remember those times when you've got like several phones of different types of charging ports, but you haven't got enough sockets where you are. You don't want to be putting your phone charged all around the house, charging in different areas. You just want to keep it still. So with this special phone charger here, it actually has 3 different types of port connections for your phones. We've got the normal standard phone charger for these types of phones here. Then we have the special type C one as well for for those phones, and also as well it has an iPhone charger as well. So you've got like one cable with 3 different connections on it. And the amazing thing about this is that it actually lights up when it's charging. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open up the packet and show you what it looks like inside, because this is my first look of it as well. So let's get this opened and more detail will be spoken. So opening up both packets now, we've got this cable here now, which feels very, very nice. As you can see, we've got 3 different ports, like I mentioned earlier, for the 3 different phone connections. So it's got a special cable as well. And this cable is special for one reason only. It's a RGB cable, so it lights up when you're charging. So I'm going to play you a video of it, and then we're going to plug it in after the video and then discuss about it more in detail. But first of all, I'm going to show you the video on the actual Aliexpress website. So this is the video now, and it's also a fast charging cable which I'll test out. But remember, some phones don't always support fast charging. So remember that, even though it says fast charging on it. So let's have a quick look at the video. As you can see now in the video, it's changing colours. And it's not only just one colour only, it's actually changing all the time to different colours when it's charging. And the good thing about, like I said before, one cable does all phones. So you won't need to have several cables around the house. You just got 3 connected to it: iPhone, Type C and a standard Android cable, and that's it. As you can see, look, charging 3 phones in one. And as you can see on the screen there, it's supercharging it. But that's only if your phone supports fast charging. As you can see, it's a fast charging cable, as I said before. 3 different ports: USB connection, micro, Type C and iPhone, so 3 in 1. And it plugs into a normal phone charging socket and so on. So I'm about to unravel it now and be able to test it in my living room. So let's head over to the living room and plug the cable in. And let's try charging 2 phones at once, and then we'll charge it with the cable flashing different colours. Let's do that right now. So for this test, I'll be using my Huawei Huawei phones, the P40 Pro and the P Smart 2020, which have different connections. One's a Type-C and one's a normal micro. So let's get that started now. And as I said before, I've been using these cables all the time. The green one I use for my Turtle Beach React R controller when I'm gaming. The others I use for the micro and also the Type-C. So let's put those to one side at the moment because the video is not about these. And let's go straight into unraveling this and getting it working for the video. Right then, so I'm just about to, I'll just turn the switch on. And now this is the cable now, fully extended with the 3 connections here for the different types of phones and so on like that. So now I'm going to plug the cable in. Look at that. Perfect. So now I'm going to put the cable here and turn off my lights, and then we'll test in the darkness the charging capabilities. So now we're in the dark now, hope it's not monsters. So as you can see now, the cable is changing colours, just like that. Good, isn't it? That is really cool. So now I'm going to plug my phones in and we'll see it charging at the same time. Right then, so I've now plugged both phones in there, the normal Type-C phone I have and also the micro one. So let's look at the phones now as we look at them both charging at the same time. So I've now plugged both phones in now and I've got it on my SIM cache screen. If you look at the top right hand corner, you can see in the dark but it's charging, and that one's charging as well, as you can see there, the charging icon. So look at the cable now, different colours there and across. So now I'm going to turn. Right then, we're back now with lights on. As you can see, the cable's working perfectly, and I've got the iPhone 1 here because I haven't got an iPhone. But you can see one of the cables is in normal microphone and the Type-C one is in there, so it's charging 2 phones at the same time with the cable changing colours as well. Which is great. So that is a fast charging cable for iPhone, microphone and also Type-C, Aliexpress, RGB cable, changes colours all the time. And just a very, very cool type of cable that stands out. So let's turn the lights off again for another final look. So you don't need to program the colours in, it just instantly changes colours by itself. Let's get these lights on again. So thank you for your time, patience. I've proven the cable is fantastic. It does feel very delicate as well because it's like a special type of cable. So I would say be very, very careful with this. See that you don't start to show the normal tears in it. But apart from that, a very, very nice cable. So thank you for your time, patience, and we'll end the video here. Thank you and goodbye.